So check this out. The C8 Corvette was in CarMax, and this car is a 69. I think this is a 2LT, so maybe it's a $89,000 car. They want $104,000. $104,000. That's crazy. But supply and demand. But I wouldn't do it. I want to see how long this process takes. It's supposed to be easy breezy. Return for any reason. I want to be up in another 3-4 hours. See, I got up here at 3 o'clock, 3:15. What time you got?
3:25.
Let's see if it takes more than 45 minutes. I might have to just walk out.
This one is cheaper. No, it's not. You took my appraisal.
$392 Hemi. This for you, Dalen. Dealer warranty. 2017. That's nice. Red. Red on red, $50,000. They got all the sports cars lined up. A whole bunch of Mustangs. One thing he wasn't lying, it's hot as right here. This is nice. What is this? 2020. They got a bunch of BMWs. Ooh, 54,000. My ass ain't got no business being out here. 2018, 31,000. I don't care for Acura. We got a couple of Mercedes. Couple of Audis. Yeah, I ain't gonna be out here long, that's for damn sure. We got Q50. Look at some Beamers. Oh, this is an M, isn't it? What is this? 2020 M550, 61,000. This is a beautiful car. Wow, that interior is smoking. Yeah, this is a nice car. That's a nice car. Okay, let me see. Look at one more Beamer. Then we'll go ahead and get some of their free water. This is what, 7 Series. This might be a 5 Series too. Come at you. I need to put your whole signs all on one side, man. For $535. This ain't got no price on it. They must have just got that sucker in. Alright, the charge plate looks good. Bird shit. Black grills. They got some cheap ass tires on there. Those got to go.
It's okay, baby. It's good enough.
Crazy. All them cheap ass tires. Y'all gotta forgive her. She don't really know about this kind of stuff. It's automatic, it raised by itself. Push the button. It's kind of wet. I can't see. This is a scuff mark right here. Dealer warranty. What's the warranty? 90 days, 4,000 miles. Yep. We got the M badging. This sucker's clean.
Huh?
This sucker is clean.
Nice. Look new. Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice.
Looks new. Looks like clean use. It's not bad.
Damn, those tires are new. Looking for accident shit. Like cracked wheel well covers. And it doesn't seem to have any of that. I wish I'd have brought my magnet. Okay, right quick. This car is in great shape. This is probably, and I'll do a full review here, one of the better BMWs that I've bought. And I've had at least three. I had a 318i, I had a 540i, recent 335i, which was a sweet car. I don't know, somehow with the turbos. And now this, oh, and then I had a 650i Grand Coupe, which was another sweet car. But this car, the 5 Series, even my 540, the 5 Series is the BMW to get. It's right in the sweet spot. It's like got the right size, not too big, not too small. It's got the right features, a little bit underpowered. 300 horsepower, that's probably equate to about 290 at the wheel. But I mean, if you're just a daily driving person, that 300 horsepower is more than enough. But yeah, this car is the better BMW of all the BMWs I've had. The 3 Series was either a little bit too small and a little bit underpowered. The 650 was just extremely big but had good power, but it was just too complicated. I mean, anything break on that car is $1,000, even if you take it to a third party. So but this car, this one is just in the right mix. I don't like the twin turbos. I wish they would have just kept it a V8, the better V8. But I don't know. Seems like a really solid engine, and the car and the features are great. Could blow up tomorrow, but for right now, this 5 Series, 535i, and probably up to the 550, that's the BMW to get.
It was Navy bet on the first one?
Yeah, I got the check here.
So they gave you a whole separate check, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks. I'll be right back.
Do you need to check on the engine?
Huh?
You want to engine?
No, I'm gonna have
Make that noise.
I'm gonna see if it's gonna make it now, but I'm gonna have BMW check it. I like the fog lights. When I seen the pictures, I thought that was scratched up like my other one, but it's not. It's got some scratches, but not nearly as bad as my other one. Yeah, that shit is nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Tint the windows.